Hey guys, really quickly before we hop into this video, just wanted to let you guys know this Thursday, September 12th, it is my 30th birthday, you guys, and I figured what better time to come out with a new design for the brand than on my birthday. So on Thursday, September 12th at 10 a.m. Pacific time, you guys will be able to pick up one of these brand new designs that we just finished up for press start, you guys. This is super freaking cool. We have our new mascot that I've been teasing on my IG story. If you guys have been following me, I know you've seen it, so super dope. You'll see this guy a lot more often, along with the infamous Mew holding a Workmeister, you guys. How cool is that? You guys know I have a big love for Pokemon along with a big love for anime in general, so this is super cool. And the nostalgia, if you guys have been watching the channel for quite some time, you guys know that I had my very first big boy wheel on the Lexus IS250, and I thought it would be nice to kind of pay homage to that. We won't have very many of these, they're very limited, you guys. Made with pretty good material, and the design is huge, like it covers the whole t-shirt, you guys. Definitely you guys will be able to pick one of these up Thursday 10 a.m. Pacific time at the pressstartus.com website, you guys. So thank you guys so much for supporting, and let's hop into this video.
Something's getting burnt, bro. I can smell it.
Oh, we got our first curb rash, you guys.
Just take Desmond's oil filter off.
Oh my god.
If I look stressed out, that's because I am. The car's like freaking out, bro. Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are finally going to address what's been going on with the 86, and we're about to pick it up because it's actually running now. So I'm kind of indecisive right now. I don't know which car we should take. Should we take the Z? Should we take the Rogue? Should we take the Aventador? Should we take the NSX? Maybe we should ask the mailman for a ride. I'm just kidding, you guys. I seen freaking Daily Driven Exotics do that, and it just, in my mind, I always wanted to kind of do that. Which car should we take? That'd be kind of cool. Anyways, you guys, let's go ahead and get this car started. Let me go ahead and give you guys a couple revs of this, because remember I told you guys in the last video that we actually ended up getting a ticket for our Tomei exhaust that we got down here. Tomei dog. And we ended up getting another ticket for the tint at the same time. And they like literally completely had me open my hood, and they literally were trying to state ref me, and they couldn't do it, so they ended up giving us some fixed tickets. I guess that's kind of good to have sometimes, like, you know, hey, we're gonna get you for speeding, but you're cool and we'll get you for this instead, you know? I still haven't addressed that ticket yet, so I don't know how much it's gonna be, but I'm definitely not gonna take care of it. I'm gonna hire like Ticket Clinic or after ticket or something. But yeah, let's give it a couple of revs, yeah? I don't know, I kind of like it, you guys. I know some people say they sound a little bit like trumpets, but I kind of enjoy it. Since we're in this Riverside 60 215 traffic that is never ending on any day of the week, I figured we could kind of talk about the Z just a little bit. So as you guys seen in the last video, we picked up the new body kit from Extreme Dimensions, right? So there is a couple things that we need to like get before we start putting the kit on. I believe I'm missing like the under shroud that goes with the car, and I believe for the like Nismo type body kits, I believe you need like that under shroud and like 2 extensions, because I think the front lip from the Nismo Z kind of sticks out a little bit longer, and I seen that Z1 Motorsports sells that stuff. But the undershrouds, the extensions, those are like 200 bucks for both sides. And then Z1 also has the undershroud, which is like another 200. But I did see on Amazon that they have literally the same thing for 60 bucks. So I might just go with that instead. But regardless of those things, and then like getting like some fresh bolts, which are like another 50 bucks from Z1. I also wanted to do the prep work, right? So we got to do the prep work to those bumpers, and that's gonna take some materials. And luckily my boy Alex, he owns AutoWorks SoCal. I was just talking to him, and he was telling me how he's gonna help me out with prepping the car, and then he'll primer it for me, and then after the primer he'll wrap it, and then after he wraps it we'll do the wheels as well. So definitely I just wanted to throw that in there in terms of like the plans for that. But since we're getting the 86 back, we're gonna be kind of going back and forth from the 86 content as well as the Z, kind of getting all that together. So first things first though, on the Z we still have to address this noise. I don't want to start getting into those things without addressing the noise. So definitely I feel like it's like I'm almost 90% sure that it's the wheel bearings. I have like no vibration when I'm braking or shifting. Everything feels fine. The car feels great aside from that noise. So I really think that our wheel hub bearings are just failing. So Z1 also supplies different kinds of wheel hub bearings, and I did find one that the wheel hub bearings are already pressed in. So those are about 100 a piece for the rear, and then we'll do the rear first. It's rear drive car, and then we'll kind of just go into the front as well. So after that, then we'll get into the body kit a little bit more, but I want to make sure I maintenance that because I don't want something to go wrong for me prolonging that like cheap maintenance, honestly, you guys. So just wanted to kind of throw that in there before we get into what is going on with this 86, or what was going on with this 86, because it's actually a little bit interesting. So there's still a couple questions, but then there's still answers too. So yeah, let's get into it. I just want to say big shout out to Studio RSR because they definitely help me out when it comes to like my schedule, and sometimes I just, you know, it's hard for me to come and pick up the car or go to work or anything like that, and kind of, you know, pick up the car or anything or drop it off. So big shout out to them because they do stick around a little bit longer after hours, but that's to kind of just, you know, clean things up and get things ready. Oh damn, that sounded good. Hey, thanks for that. I feel that. Let me give you guys a little bit of the lowdown in terms of like, you know, what was going on with the car. Hopefully Nick can kind of give me a little bit of feedback before they head out of here. Just to give you guys a quick background, they're showing me a video of like my installation and what happened with the oil cooler, and this is probably one of the reasons we're here, you know, you guys. So yeah.
Just take Desmond's oil filter off.
Oh my
This is
god.
how this works.
That is looser than a 1920s. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so definitely I'm glad we got it situated, you guys, because that was bad.
We can now confirm first gen parts do not intertwine with second gen
Yeah,
parts.
so if you guys were watching anything on my story, the bolt that goes into that that section, it's not compatible with the second gen. So I talked to one of the customer service guys at Mishimoto, and they said everything would have worked if I had that specific bolt. But they don't sell that bolt individually, so you literally have to buy one of their kits because they're not gonna just take it out of a kit that they have in stock and just give it to you, you know. So definitely just be aware of that, you guys. So thanks to my guy here and my guy here for taking care
Remember
of me.
what they say buy one, cry one.
Yeah, literally. So I wasn't able to kind of talk about things right there at studio, but we're on our first drive right now, and car feels pretty good. Going to kind of get gas right now, but so far so good. Wasn't really able to show you guys where they mounted the oil cooler either, but here are our temps right here. Let me just kind of go ahead and run down exactly what was going on, what we found out with the 86, you guys. So like I was telling you guys, per the fuel pump over here, the AEM fuel pump, it's just too tall. It's too tall for the 86 platform. It still works, you have to modify it, but it's not gonna work in the long run. Like I said, you kind of need the fuel hanger from Radium to kind of just dead the solution. It is a little bit of money, but I guarantee once you get that, like, you really won't have to worry about fuel starvation when you're boosting the car and the car is demanding more gas and, you know, the fuel pressure and everything like that, you guys. So that is one thing. Another thing, obviously we fixed the cooling finally, you guys. Let me go ahead and open it up so I can show you guys. So we got the new Mishimoto kit in there. We got the fittings all new. Everything is new. Lines are new, everything. So I wasn't able to kind of show you guys the brackets that they made to kind of mount it all. So you guys see the fans here. It is in between the radiator and the AC condenser. And then you're gonna see this intercooler here, and it's literally right in between all of those things. So like I said, they made a bracket so that way it actually will fit up how it's supposed to. The video I showed you guys earlier of how it was looking and how loose it was, well, you know, yeah, that was a big issue. Definitely could not be driving like that. Don't use the OEM bolt, you guys. But anyways, so thank you, big shout out to them for cleaning up the car as well. To address that reverse sensor, we were talking about it. I was talking about it with Toby, and we were like, dude, so what about that reverse sensor? And he kind of was mentioning, he was like, well, we really don't know. Like, that was like a problem that had like occurred like with a whole bunch of other things, right? So I don't know if it was something that was like kind of just happening because of everything else that was going on, or we won't know until like we like fully fix every single thing that's been kind of going on, and we're kind of getting there. Obviously we fixed the cooling now, we just need to fix the fueling, but yeah, we still don't know what that is. So I'm gonna go ahead and fuel up, because I still don't think that I'm able to drive the car on a whole full tank and let it get to empty, because we don't have that fuel hanger. I don't want to take any chances. I don't know if the car is good enough for long distance drives yet either, and I was planning on going to, you know, a couple shows that are a little bit further than SoCal, but until we get that fuel hanger, we won't really know. And I just don't want to take a chance like we did in Vegas, because that was a struggle. So that's why I'm here. I'm about to fill up and make sure we don't starve of fuel on the way home. Let's hope that we don't have any more hiccups like we just had coming into this spot right now. Man, that freaking sucks, dude. I mean, I was gonna get these redone anyways, like fairly soon, but I went so long without none of these kind of happenings. Like I said, you guys, this is gonna get a whole refresh. The red was cool. The red was cool. But what I have in store is cooler. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and fill up. Let's get back on the road. Oh my gosh, you guys, we're like, what the hell, dude? So the car's running, but it's still having a, and now I think it's an electrical issue at this point, because the car's in reverse and I'm in like 5th gear. I mean, yeah, sure, the car's not running hot anymore, but what the f, man? And then my brake lights aren't working correctly right now either, dude. What? I just want my car to work again, you know? God, man. Other than that, the car is running fine. It's like really hard for the car to get hot right now, I can tell. This is the most I've seen it go up so far. At least that's good news, but this whole reverse issue crap, like, this is not it. Like, what is going on here? Why is the reverse keep coming up, dude? Yo. What the hell, dude? The car is like freaking out, bro. You guys, I don't know. Something like this is not like something that's happened to somebody. I highly doubt it. Like, no one, I'm pretty sure no one's going through what I'm going through right now. So that is another aspect that also freaking sucks. But along with the reverse sensor, oh my God. What is wrong with this road? The road is horrible. Jesus. Yeah, everything's freaking out. All this stuff keeps popping up. Because I thought it was done. I thought we were going to be good. I thought I could pull up to places. I thought we could do things. But I don't feel comfortable taking the car out and, you know, something happening, and then us kind of going through what we went through just recently. And not only that, I smell something burning, dude. I think something's burning right now. Something is clearly wrong, but something is like on fire. Something's getting burnt, bro. I can smell it. We made it back home. The sensors kind of still stayed on, or at least these did. The reverse kind of turned off, but now we have another, I'm telling you, I think for sure it's a sensor, a wiring issue, because like I said, I smelled some burning earlier when we first started having the issues, and now I can't even use my turn signals. Like, it's not even like coming up. Like, that's so weird. Let me try to see if I can actually put it in reverse maybe and see what that does. So it's in reverse right now. Normally the camera would pull up and then it would tell me that I'm in reverse, right? And nothing, but can I move in reverse? I can move in reverse. So that definitely is helpful. Look, I don't know, because now I have absolutely no lights whatsoever. Something is burning, like something had gotten short-circuited. I don't know what it is. If I look stressed out, that's because I am. So anyways, I don't know how long this vlog has gone on. I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna end it here, you guys. We fixed one issue, but now we still need to tackle an existing issue that we had when it all started, but I thought it was gonna go away. Oh my gosh. What do you guys think it is? Comment down below what do you guys think it may be. It's so weird. It has to be a sensor or some wiring that got short-circuited or something, dude. Maybe it's a fuse. I don't know. We'll figure it out, you guys. Anyways, make sure you guys live long and prosper. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. It helps us out a lot, especially in times like this. So appreciate all of you guys that have been supporting. See you guys later.